This last transformation we're going to do is just a little bit more difficult than the previous two, but not really that much, I suppose. Here we have the function h of x is equal to the cubed root of x plus 2 plus 1. The very first thing that we want to identify is our parent function, so I know what this function starts out as. This is the cubed root function. So it's the cubed root of x. And if I were to plot the points, a couple of points for the cubed root of x, I know that that thing crossed right here at the x-axis. The cubed root of 1 is 1. I also know that the cubed root of negative 1 is negative 1. And I could put another point on here because I don't really have enough to make a curve. Okay, and so I'm going to try to pick a point, and I think it's going to disappear off my screen. But I have to think about roots, cubed roots actually. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to actually pick the number 8. So if I choose 8 on the number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the cubed root of 8 is 2. So I could put another point over here because the cubed root of 8 is 2, right? The cubed root of 8 is 2. So we're going to do that over here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll just kind of roughly put it in. The cubed root of negative 8 is negative 2. Okay, so I have enough points on here then to be able to draw my curve. Now let's do the transformations. So inside of my function, right, inside being under the radical sign, I have the x plus 2. Now remember, we shift horizontally opposite of what is shown here. So we're going to shift to the left by 2. So all of these points are going to shift to the left by 2. So we're going to go left, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, and this one's going to disappear. I'm not going to worry about it right now. Well, maybe I should. I'll put it on there. 1, 2. Kind of go that way. Okay. What else do we know? We know that there's my green. I'm happier with the green. And for the last step, we know that this is being added to the outside, right? Under the radical is inside. Adding 2 out here is outside. So a plus 1 is a vertical shift up by 1. So all of these points are going to shift up by 1. So this red dot on the very far left here shifts up 1, 1, 1. We have another one, oh, not that one. We have this one over here. This red dot's going to shift up by 1. So my curve looks something like this. It's kind of a shaky curve, but it's still there. And this would be the translated function, which is the cubed root of x plus 2 plus 1.